In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly fix many iPhone app issues by correcting your date and time settings and making sure your app is up to date. If an app won't load, can't sign you in, shows odd errors, or refuses to connect, the most common culprits are an inaccurate device clock or an outdated app version. The good news is that both are simple to fix, and you can do it in under a minute. Start on your iPhone's home screen and open the Settings app. From there, tap General. Next, tap Date and Time. On this screen, turn on Set Automatically. When this is enabled, your iPhone uses trusted network information to keep your clock accurate to the minute, including your time zone. This matters because many apps rely on time-based security checks. If your clock is off, even by a small amount, logins, subscriptions, purchases, and secure connections can fail. With Set automatically turned on, your device will adjust as you travel and stay in sync without you having to do anything. A quick tip, this setting works best when your phone has a reliable internet connection. If you've been offline for a while or just changed time zones, giving your iPhone a few seconds to refresh the time can prevent a lot of headaches. Also, changing between 12-hour and 24-hour time is purely cosmetic. What really matters is that the automatic setting is enabled so the system time aligns with app servers. Now let's make sure the app itself is current. Open the App Store. In the top right corner, tap your profile icon to view your account page. Scroll to see your available updates. Find the app that's giving you trouble. If you see an update button next to it, tap Update and let it finish installing. If it says open, you already have the latest version. You can also choose Update All if you want to bring everything up to date in one go. App updates are more than new features. They include important fixes for compatibility, performance, and security. If an app's backend or the operating system has changed, an old version may not behave correctly, so updating is a simple way to restore normal function. Once your date and time are set to automatic and the app is updated, open the app again and try your task. In most cases, this resolves the issue right away because you've eliminated the two most common causes, time mismatch and outdated software. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets you back up and running smoothly.